Hey viewers, this is Devinder Kaur and welcome to my YouTube channel The Enlightened Room. In this video, we're going to study about the variation of acceleration due to gravity on Earth. Well, before starting this topic, you all must have known about this formula G equals Gm over r squared, in which we have this g as acceleration due to gravity, this g as gravitational constant, this m as mass of the earth, and this r as the radius of the earth. Now you all know that our earth is not a perfect sphere, right? It is flattened at poles. Let us assume there are our poles, the poles of earth. It is flattened at poles and bulged out at equator, right? So the radius of earth, like from the center, if we take the radius from the center to the poles, which we will call as polar radius of earth, would be minimum for us, and the equatorial radius, that means taken from the center to the equator, would be maximum, right? Now consider this relation, the relation between acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constant. What you see that these two are inversely proportional to each other, right? That means acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to the square of the radius of earth here. So what would happen here? If Rp is minimum, that means the acceleration due to gravity through poles would be maximum, Gm over Rp squared. This would be maximum, of course. So similarly inverse would be here at equator. As the equatorial radius is maximum, the acceleration due to gravity with respect to the equator of the earth would be minimum. This would be minimum. That means the acceleration due to gravity does depend upon the shape of the earth, right? That's why it is maximum at poles and minimum at equator. Okay. Second point about this, like where does the acceleration due to gravity vary? The second point is it depends upon the height of the object. Like we are here on the surface of earth, right? On the surface of earth, like you are here, not at the pole but a bit far away from the pole, or you can say you are here. Okay, you're on the surface of earth. The acceleration due to gravity acting on you would be depending at what height you are. If you're completely on the plane surface, just even at the basement, then that would be, I guess, 9.8 meter per second square would be the acceleration due to gravity. But as we go up, the radius, not the radius, now we are not going to take this as radius, because you are not on the surface of earth, you are going up. So this would be the distance between you and the earth, and that would be taken from the center, right? And that would be r, denoted by small r, as we used to do in the universal gravitational constant formula, okay, in the Newton's law of gravitation formula, right? G equals Gm over r squared, correct? This was our formula. So as you go far away from earth, what would happen? The acceleration due to gravity would start decreasing. You can see this table here. The height above the surface of earth, if you go 200 km up from the surface of earth, you have a certain spaceship which tells you the distance taken from this surface of earth as you go up. Okay, what would happen? The acceleration due to gravity would decrease. It was 9.8 at the complete surface of earth. As you go 200 kilometers up, the acceleration due to gravity became 9.23 meters per second squared, right? Then if you go 1000 kilometers above the surface of Earth, you're going up now, then the acceleration due to gravity would be 7.34 meter per second. Similarly, if you go 5000 kilometer, it would be 3.08. When you go 10,000 kilometer, it would be 1.49. When you go 20,000 kilometer, it would be 0.57. It is decreasing as you go up. So the acceleration due to gravity decreases if you go above from the surface of Earth. Similarly, this thing happens when you go down. Like this does depend upon the height and depth. Okay, if you go down the surface of Earth, do you think the acceleration due to gravity would decrease? No. Why? Because at the center of Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is 0. Yes, at the center of Earth, G is 0. You must be thinking, as you go from the surface of Earth up above the surface of Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is decreasing. If you go down, then it would increase. No, the acceleration due to gravity again decrease because this G is equal to 0 at the center of Earth. So this is how the acceleration due to gravity vary depending upon the shape of Earth. If you go up, it would decrease. If you go down, it would again decrease. It would not increase. If you go down the surface of Earth, the acceleration due to gravity would decrease. And on these points, the acceleration due to gravity depends and varies, okay, on the Earth. So this is up for today's video. Stay tuned for more videos like this and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, okay.